Hi, my name is Diana, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a push up. But before I start to show you how to do a push up, I'm going to tell you what body parts works out when you do a push up. So, a push up helps you to work out your chest, so your pectorals, your triceps, your back, your shoulders, and your core, so your abdominal area. It also helps you maintain a proper posture, and then it also helps you with cardiovascular. So it helps you to work out your heart as well. It also helps with flexibility with the shoulders and joint movements and your wrists as well. It also helps boost your metabolism as well. There's a couple of materials you might need to help you start a push up. You can use a mat that you'll see in the back right here, or you can use a towel for your warm ups because we are going to warm up before we start a push up. And I like to use a one of these. It's called the resistant band. I like to use this to stretch my upper body. If you don't have this, you can use a towel or t-shirt, whatever you like that's long enough for you to um, stretch your arms. And yeah, also to help you assess in a push-up, I'm gonna show you how to do it the moderate way, and assess push-up with your knees. But when you start to level up to where you're gonna not use your knees anymore, this helps a lot to assess your push-up, and I'll show you how to use this in a while. You can find these on Amazon for $20. You can get, honestly, it's a good deal on Amazon. It just doesn't come with one; it comes with three, and all like a different type of resistance. So this is the lighter one. There's also ones are. So the lighter one is obviously means it's gonna help you less, and then harder resistant ones are gonna help you way more if you're especially a beginner. I'll show you. So and they come in cute colors. So this is the hard one, the medium, and the easy. You can tell which one I haven't used is the hard one. I like not to use the hard one when I was learning how to do a push up because I wanted more of a challenge and more of me doing it. But if you're first time ever doing a push up or you haven't worked out in a while, I suggest using this one and then work with your weight down. So it's like more less body weight, more body weight, if that makes sense. So yes, that's all the equipment you pretty much need. Those are not really necessary, but it's a good investment to be honest to help you later on in your workouts. Uh, Push-ups is a workout you can do any time of the day, anywhere. You don't have to be at the gym. You could be at your house, your comfort of your own home, and just do them either before going to bed or right after you get up from bed. It's good to move your muscles and body after you wake up because we are laying down for such an amount of long time period of 8 hours and your body stiffens up. That's why it's good to, when you wake up to stretch. You do a little some movement to wake up the rest of your body. So we're gonna start with some warm up dynamics. So before you start a push up, we don't want to hurt ourselves. We don't want to pull a muscle or our wrists. So, like I said, it works out our chest, shoulders, triceps, back. So we want to warm up our wrists first because we're going to put a lot of pressure on our wrists. But I'll show you how to properly position your wrists where you're not going to be bending it so much, bending them so much, and you can just, not hurt them. So yeah, just warm up your wrist by doing this, circle movements outside, inside. You can do about 5 to 10. We're going to be doing dynamic stretches. So dynamic stretches is better because you're moving as you're stretching and not just holding it in one position for a long time. This helps move your muscles more and wake them up and warm them up more. Also, your neck is important. So, and then you're going to do the other side. It feels so good. Actually, I think you might hear my neck cracking, to be honest. Okay. So this is where the red resistant band comes in. And again, you can find these on Amazon. And I like to use the little, like, harder ones to stretch, but you can work your way, like I say. So you're gonna grab your towel versus band, t-shirt, whatever you like, and then you're gonna start from the bottom, work your way up, stretch it out, and work your way down behind you. And you're gonna feel that stretch on your chest and shoulders, especially your shoulders. But it feels so good, to be honest. It's okay if you can't do this at first, just slowly work your way. So if you just can go to here, that's fine. That's fine, that's perfect. And then you can just slowly go back until all the way as far as you can. You'll slowly work your way all the way to the back. Trust me, I struggled at the beginning. I was able to go like this, and that's it. And now I can go all the way back. So you do this about 10 times. So 5 times in the front, 5 times in the back, or as many as you want till you feel the warmth of your muscles. And you're gonna start going around your body. So you're gonna go to the side, back, to the other side, forward. You can go to your left. So let's start with our left, back, right, forward. Left, back, right, forward. And you do this about 5 to 10 times. Depends how much you want. It's okay. As long as you do 5, that's a good amount. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna count these. Alright, now we're gonna do the other side. And then I like to do this one where you put this behind you. I don't think you'll be able to do this with the towel or t-shirt. So put this behind you and then you close your arms forward. And you're working your chest on this one. And squeeze. Again, 5 to 10 reps. As many as you want. And then I like to stretch. So you'll see me pull towards me. Like if I'm doing a push-up, kind of, you see? Okay. Alright. So I want to show you how to do a beginner's moderate push-up where we're going to be using your knees. And then some other workouts to help you build up to do a regular push-up. Okay, so when you're going to do a beginner's push-up, you're going to start on your knees. So you're going to be on your knees, and then you're going to go on all fours. And you want your hands underneath your shoulders. You don't want to hurt yourself. So don't go over here. That's too far. Don't go over here. That's too close to your body. So just underneath your shoulders like this. Like that. Perfect. And you want to engage your core all times so you can have a strong, stable board, I want to say. Stability. Because if you go like this, it's not going to help. If you go like this, it's not going to help. So nice and straight. Engage your core because you're working out your abdominal muscles as well. And then you can cross your feet like this, and you also want your hands a little bit right outside your chest, so like this, right outside your chest. That's perfect. You don't want them too far apart, nor too inside. All right, and you'll scoot a little bit more back like this. Engage your core. And you're going to slowly go down. And then slowly go back. Okay? Don't go too quick, because then you're going to hurt yourself. So slowly go down. And slowly go up. So it's gonna help you when you slowly go up and down, because you'll work out more your muscles that way. When you go too fast, you're just using momentum, and you don't want that. You want to use your body strength here. Also, another great workout is just literally go all the way down, lift up your hands, and then push yourself up. That's good. One more time. You'll see me watch. Go all the way down, all the way down. Lift up your hands, and then push yourself up like that. And I say you should do 3 sets of 10. Now, if that's too hard for you, for the resistant bands come in, grab the resistant bands, put it by your elbows, like so, a little bit above your elbows, so on like that. And it's gonna help a lot. All right. Place your hands like a little bit outside your chest, underneath your shoulders. Go all the way down, and then up, all the way down, and up. You see how much easier that looks? Because it is. It's a lot easier. Because what's pushing you back is this, and that's helping. Now, if you want to go a little bit harder, then you don't use your knees. Okay, so you're gonna you still use this after already did on your knees, and it's too easy for you. You can work your way to this now. So you're gonna lift up your knees like so, and then go down and up. And then once you graduate from this, you'll go to this, and I still want you to do the go all the way down, lift your hands, and then push yourself up. Ready? And we go all the way down, control, drop, lift up your hands, and then push. And again, you'll do that 3 sets of 10 reps. And between each set, you can give yourself some break time. I say a minute is good, between a minute and 40 seconds. So that way you have enough time to recover, and you can go all out on all your reps and not just do half reps or half sets, Also, what's going to help you with your push-ups is when you do planks. I love doing planks. They're good for your core stability. It's almost the same as a push-up, so just a little harder. So, because you're holding it up for a while. So if you're beginning and you're barely doing a plank, I say same thing. Be on your knees, cross your feet, and just hold this position like this. Just hold it, and hold it for a minute. So you're gonna do 3 sets for 1 minute. 3 sets of 1 minute. And just like that. And then if these get easier, you want to do a little bit more of a challenge, then you lift yourself up. And then you do this for a minute. And just engage your core, stable back, a flat back, I should say. And just keep your head down. Neutral spine. That's all you want. And then I think those are easier for me. A little harder is when you go on your forearms. So you go from here and then down. So the closer you are to the ground, the harder it is. And just stay like this again for a minute. Yep. And again, 3 sets of 1 minute. And then after all that gets easier, you're gonna have the confidence to do a full push-up. And it's gonna look like this. Ready? And I was able to barely do one push-up when I first started this, and now I could do up to 25. So it took me a while, yes. And if you're being consistent and you do them every day, like I said, it doesn't take that long. You'll probably be able to do a full push-up in about 3 or 4 months. I believe it. But it's all in your own pace and how hard you work on it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you would like to know any more tips and tricks on workouts or nutrition as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.